why after creating a function, it doesn't mean the function will run if you don't call it. You have to call it like this. Just type the name of the function, put open and close bracket, then the function will be called. Then there are some things you need to know. Number one, every statement ends with semicolon. So I'll be violating that. Like this should be, I have something like this. I should have something like this. Though it's optional in the latest JavaScript engine, but it's a good practice that you put it there, because by the time we get to advanced JavaScript, you will see the essence of it. So every statement must end with a semicolon. But look at this if statement. I'm not going to put semicolon after curly brace. That one does not work. So it's only the statements. Like this is a statement, assignment statement. This is another statement. This is a function statement. This alert is a function. It's an inbuilt function. Now, before I close this session, let me check my time there. Okay, I've spent 13 minutes there. Before I close this session, let me talk about inbuilt function. Inbuilt functions. We have inbuilt functions like alert. You have already seen that. You see, I'm using a function alert inside my own function that I created. I created a function called find addition, and I'm still using alert. Alert is an inbuilt function. Then we have prompt. Prompt is another function. Then we have confirm. It's another function. So these three functions, I'm going to use them practically in the next video. But for now, let me stop here. If you don't understand the thing here, don't worry, practically I'm still going to explain them, and I'm very sure you understand more. So that is about these four concepts which I've just put here: data types, variables, statement, and function. So in summary, what I've just done is that we have different kinds of data types. Data types, like we have a number, we have Boolean, we have what we call, okay, we have number, Boolean, we have string, we have null, we have undefined. Undefined data type usually comes up anytime you commit error, maybe error in your calculation, and the JavaScript cannot understand the meaning of what you are doing, so it may give you undefined. So those are the data type that we have. I'm trying to remember there is a particular data type which I have not talked about here, and okay, I think that is 6. Object data type. We'll talk about object later. So then I said we have variable. Variable, we use variable to hold data, and the name of your variable, you can use camel casing or Pascal casing. Camel casing is when the first word is small letter true and the second word start with a capital letter. You can also have variable name like this, my underscore address. But the rule is that, let me quickly give 3 rules about variable. Number 1, it must start with a letter. Then number 2, it cannot contain space, e.g. my address. JavaScript will not accept this. So it's either you join them together and make this one capital A, camel casing, or you use underscore in between them. Okay? So, I think those are the 2 major rules. Then it can start, let me make number 3, your variable name. Number 3, it cannot start with a number. It can't start with a number. So you can't have 1 to my address. JavaScript will not accept a variable that starts with a number. So I think I omitted that, so but take note of these 3 rules. So that's how we type variable name. Variable name can be a single letter like letter A, and it can be something like my address to hold either string value or number value like 4. Then I talk about statement. We have assignment statement, logical statement, conditional statement. Like this, an assignment statement. I'm assigning 4 to A, 6 to B, A plus B. I'm assigning it to C. But this kind of statement is logical. I'm comparing. If I say C greater than A. Now in JavaScript, capital C and small letter C are different. Capital A and small letter A, they are totally different. Take note of that. Likewise, my address and my address, they are not the same. They are not the same in JavaScript. So then we have conditional statement. Like this is a condition. You say if, then you put your condition in bracket, you start curly brace, you close curly brace, then whatever you want, you put it in between. So I'll use alert. And this alert means it's a function on its own. And that led us to function that in JavaScript you can create your own function, give it a name, then type whatever you want to happen in between the function. Then we have inbuilt function like alert, prompt, and confirm. So I'm going to elaborate on this, especially the function, in the practical session. So I want to thank you for listening and see you in the next video.